Okay, just make this. If you want to make this this type of, okay, this is a 7 segment with Arduino, right? All know about this. So sorry, sorry. Mm, you all know about this 7 segment, right? So sorry, it goes out. Right? Let's see again. Proteus. Let me on this. Recover output project. Okay. Yes. Okay. So what we actually did here to let's see. Okay. People is not defined. Okay. So there is some problem for this, right? Okay. So every time I have to, so I have to show this hex file, right? So what you have to do, like, have to make this one, right? So there is a 7, what he used, he used 7 segment and an Arduino board, right? So here is a 7 pin of here. So we actually did 1 2 3 1 to 7. If we go to our code section, we will can understand you what we have done. So we have defined one. These are digital pin of, so these of a digital pin of our Arduino. Okay, so we define this 1 to 7. If you want to change this has to be a digital pin. Okay, so 1 to 7. If you can go 0 1 is a RX and TX pin, so you can avoid those two pin, but there is no problem if you use here. So I have used 1 to 7. So we connect 7 pins to 7 segment and ground this. And next you have to compile this. Okay, so after compiling this, you have to know the hex file of this, right? Here it is not showing you hex file. So what you can do, you can go your temp and find out the hex file. Okay, search hex. So here is another hex. Okay, let's, there is two hex, not this one, right? Let's cut it and paste it here. Yes, replace it. So next you have to go to Proteus, uh, double click on your Arduino, choose the hex file from your desk, needs to be desktop, and there is an hex file. Open it and click it OK. Okay, so if you run it now, so your simulation is ready. So on the part of your part of here, this code is super easy, and I am delaying how many seconds, 3 milliseconds. Okay, okay, you can change it. Yeah, let's say it is now 500 after 1, and 6 after 5 there will be a 500. Okay, and after 9 there will be a 500. So that's it. The code is so nothing but the pin combination of there is a 8 segment, right? 7 segment there, and whenever we reaches 8, so all segments are high. So there is all segments are high, that's why it is all. And for 1 there is 2 will be high, 5 there will be 1, 7 will be there, there is 2 1 2 3 4. Okay, 4, let's check, there will be 3 to 5, 5 will be high and 2 will be low for 9. So if you change any combination, you can go here, and don't have to be serialize, you can mix it up with high and low, and you will see the result in couple of modes, right? 1 to 9, you can pick up any number of you can copy and paste here, and that will show you that number in any quick session, মানে যে কোনো টাইমে যে কোনো নাম্বার দেখতে চাইলে আমরা দেখতে পারবো। সিরিয়ালি কেন দেখতে হবে, হঠাৎ করে 2 আসবে, 4 আসবে, 5 আসবে, হয়তো 5-এর পরে 1 আসবে, 1-এর পর 3, 3-এর পর 5, এরকমও করা পসিবল কোডের মাধ্যমে। সো you can build and you can mess around of this code. So that's it. সো আমি যদি এখন এটা কম্পাইল করি, সো এটার জন্য একটা হেক্স ফাইল ক্রিয়েট হয়েছে। সো এই হেক্স ফাইলটা আমাকে আবার এখানে পুট করা লাগবে, তাইলে আমার এটা কাজ করতে হবে, তাছাড়া তো হবে না। সো এখন আমার কারো যদি প্রোটিয়াসের আরডুইনো লাইব্রেরিটা না থাকে, তো আরডুইনো লাইব্রেরিটা ডাউনলোড করে যে যে ফাইল দুইটা লাগে, ওই ফাইল দুইটা লাইব্রেরিতে রাখা লাগবে আরডুইনো। যেমন হচ্ছে আরডুইনো লাইব্রেরি কি, ল্যাব সেন্টার রাইট, ল্যাব সেন্টারের ভিতরে প্রোটিয়াস 8 প্রফেশনালের ভিতরে ঢুকে দেখুন লাইব্রেরি আছে, লাইব্রেরিতে যে ওই দুইটা কপি পেস্ট করে দিতে হবে। সো ইউ ক্যান গো mess around with this and build a more complex project. Okay, it's working right now. Let's see. 8-এর পর অনেকক্ষণ ছিল কিন্তু, রাইট? না, মনে হচ্ছিল 8-এর পর অনেকক্ষণ ছিল, আসলে না। আচ্ছা, that's it. So this is my project. Okay, so thank you. Project মানে এটা